APHC leadership has expressed deep concern over the continued unlawful detention of thousands of Kashmiris who have been languishing in jails for expressing their dissent to India's illegal occupation. APHC leadership in a statement in Srinagar said the Modi regime is deliberately prolonging the detention of Kashmiri prisoners for their political beliefs. Among those who are languishing in jails include APHC Chairman Musarrat Alam Butt, Shabir Ahmad Shah, Mohammad Yasin Malik, Naeem Ahmed Khan, Asia Andrabi, Fahmida Sofi and many others. An Indian policeman was critically injured in a blast in Kathua district today. The blast took place near border police post in Hiranagar area of the district, causing injuries to the policeman. Several journalists and members of civil society paid rich tributes and condolences to the martyred journalist Rais Ahmed Butt on his first martyrdom anniversary. Indian troops martyred a young Kashmiri freelance journalist Rais Ahmed Butt along with the youth during a cordon and search operation on this day last year in Rainavari area of the Srinagar city. The erosion of the rights of human rights defenders and religious minorities, use of repressive laws including counter-terrorism and money laundering to silence dissent, prolonged detention and killings feature today's India's as exposed by Amnesty International in its latest report. The report, The State of the World's Human Rights, said the Indian government selectively cracked down on religious minorities and advocacy of hatred by political leaders and public officials towards them was commonplace and went unpunished. Senior Vice President of Sadat Party of Turkey, Mustafa Kemal Akaya, has said that the solution of the long-pending Kashmir dispute is possible for durable peace in South Asia. Mustafa Kemal Akaya expressed these views while talking to the Kashmiri delegation led by Jamaat-e-Islami Azad Jammu and Kashmir leader Abdul Rashid Turabi at the headquarters of Sadat Party in Ankara. Convener of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, has paid glowing tributes to renowned liberation leader Ashfaq Majidwani and other martyrs of the occupied Kashmir. Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that Ashfaq Majidwani was a beacon of light for the freedom movement of Kashmir, who will always guide the freedom fighters and will show them determination and courage against oppression by India.